Welcome to Align Trading. Going over the trades that I took today. To start the day off, I put in the chat for members to be looking out for this possible inverse head and shoulder after we complete this inverse cup that you can see we completed. And sure enough, that is exactly what we did. We completed this inverse cup at both of these levels and then went the other direction and are now trying to form that inverse head and shoulder right here so that we can break out of this 507 level right here. The reason we did not go lower after completing this inverse cup right here is because we did not form the structure we needed to with this green algorithm and then the white here tapering to then break us down out of this algorithm. Instead, we had this stronger buying algorithm that brought us up the entire day. You see it perfectly right here the whole entire way. Now going over the trades that I took at 9:46 right here, I posted in the Discord to look out for this possible head and shoulders that was forming with this algorithm. And as you can see, that is exactly what happened. We got this head, shoulder, and other shoulder for the perfect breakdown. Very nice first trade. I had more position to go to the downside right here, added a little more, and it did not end up breaking down, so I got out of my position and told members to be looking out now for this inverse head and shoulders that you can see, and that is exactly what happened. We have that formed right here, and we get this nice shoulder. Could have been a good trade right there. 10:10, I posted to be looking out for the tapering and a possible head and shoulder once again if we can get it to break down and grab the liquidity, and that's what happened right here. We get the move up, we get the tapering right here, and this head and shoulder entry once again. I got in on this shoulder right here at 10:33 and took the move down just to this candle right here at the bottom of that level. It doesn't have to be a home run every single time. Just that little trade right here is a good 70-cent trade. Here at 10:42, I posted to continue to watch out for the structure. We got the first move that had broken down. Now look for this other shoulder and another possible move down, and that's what we got. So after getting our first trade off of this head and shoulder right here, we get the shoulder right here with this mini head and shoulder, and once again complete that inverse cup right here at this level and then bounce off of it once again. After those trades, I was all done for the day, and I told members to either watch for the handle to form right here with this inverse cup, to go lower if we wanted, or to pay attention to this buying algorithm with the tapering, and we ended up doing that. As you can see right here with the post, I told them to look out for this inverse head and shoulder right there, and we got it. Many trades to take today. It was the same algorithm bringing us up the entire time right here. You can see this algorithm continues to come in and take us higher each and every time, controlling the selling, whether it's a larger one or a smaller one like you're seeing. These are the algorithms. You have the larger algorithm right here with this steeper one, and then when it begins to taper like that is why you get the move up. You form this cup, you have a small handle, another move up, and once again you would watch for the same algorithm right here to continue going higher. Now what I'll be looking out for tomorrow is, you can see we have this 20-day moving average up here which needs to be retested still. We came back down today, tested this 5-day moving average, and we are now above it. So we are looking for this right here to grab this liquidity and be able to break us out of this 507 and come test this level right here along with the 20-day moving average. Now if we want to continue to go down more, we can see this right here. We have that liquidity, and we would want to see something like this, possibly with a rejection and coming back down to this level before we go like that, breaking out of this white algorithm right here. There is some news tomorrow with PCE and a couple of other things that I'll put up right here. but pay attention to those if we gap up or gap down and use this 5-day moving average right here. Yes, we are still forming a base right here, looking like we are starting to curl up, but we still can be within this bear flag if we want with this white algorithm right here, just making liquidity until we decide to head lower. So pay attention to that. And then also pay attention how easy it would be to curl up with this 20-day right here and then regain it going to this 515 level right here. We have a lot of liquidity above as well that we had been making for the previous few weeks. As you can see, this is a lot of liquidity if we want to go up right there. On our daily chart, you can see we closed once again above the 5-day moving average, and then this 502 level that I had said to look out for if we were going to stay below, we got the close above here at 503.50. Now tomorrow, if we want to retest the bottom Bollinger, if we are below this 5-day making resistance, that is possible, just as the 20-day up here if we want to go get that retest, possibly a gap up with good news and see that retest. With bad news, gap down below the 5-day moving average, wait for an entry at it, and then you can try and get the move to the bottom of this range. On the daily chart as well, you can see this cup that we have formed here at this 507 level, and you can see this handle essentially starting to form right here before we go up. So watch for the breakout of this 507 level. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you at opening bell. Make sure you go over your trades and understand what mistakes you made or the good trades that you took, and recognize those setups so you can continue to take them. Thank you.